BMW M2. He's in for a full Valvetronic exhaust system. So here's the old one here. Got it off the car. Customer wants this one done. He's happy with the noise, he likes how it sounds, but he just literally wants to renew the system. So you can see there's lots of areas on the system that are falling apart, like clamps and the joins, etc. So we've given the customer a choice. So powerflow, we can offer a direct fitment of a full Valvetronic system, all the valves complete. So everything comes just like a bolt on the system, or we can fabricate it ourselves. So yeah, customers had a choice. This is one of the choices here. Load it up on the screen. So that's the package deal you get. This is the full system. I think the valves are integrated down here. Got carbon tips. All the hangers are pre-made. You got the res box. So yeah, that's a bolt-on system. That was one choice. But no, he wants it fabricated by us, which is cool. So this one's a custom build. We do have all the pieces here. So we've got, I think he wanted carbon tips. Where's the box? There they are. So these are the tips he's gone for, which are quite pretty. So 2 each side. I think this is the custom made res box. And we've got some tubing here. And new valves. We are currently waiting on new springs, because these valves actually do sit in the system like that, and then the old motor is going to sit on top like that. The springs are wrong, so we're waiting for some springs to arrive from BMW. So the idea is this old motor will drive the new valve, and this old motor is connected up into the car, and he's got a remote already. So the remote is going to obviously activate the valves to open and close, which is great. We can install them ourselves, but he's already got the system in place for that, which is good. Just saves us a bit of work. Back on the YouTube. Done a bit this morning, mate. What's this for, by the way? Is that just, yeah, spacer. Spacer. All right, enough. A haircut. Yeah. What do you like it? Okay, so we've got our little springs. They're like £6 each from Beamer. So they're gonna go in there for the valves. So this is end of day one. Josh has come quite a long way, right down to the rear diff here. So pipes are coming out, yeah, just past rear axle. Box is in place, as you can see. And on this one here, isn't it?
Yeah, to the back one.
And how's that connecting up there? Just going on like that, yeah?
Yeah, that'll join from the main pipe. Going into that way, obviously the valve's on that one.
Yeah.
So when the valve's shut, everything goes through the box. We'll have that pipe sitting on the inside.
Something like that,
yeah. So when that valve's open, everything's going to come out this side, completely unrestricted straight through.
And the other tip's going on from here, isn't it?
Yeah, and then the other tip on that.
Just getting all that lined up. I can see why the tolerances are quite small, aren't they, the margins?
Yeah, it's very tight.
And same the other side. You got them in as well, the spring, didn't you?
Yeah.
Welding the valve on, yeah?
Yeah, just getting back to the base.
Pen. Is that a new one?
That's the old one. I used to be one.
Yeah, to buy those Sharpies the other day. Can't afford it.
12 quid, sorry, invoice now.
Yeah. What the issue is.
Right.
So we run into a small problem. Yeah, that goes there. We've got this section here with the valve in, which needs to be made from here to there. We have to hold this section in place and the box, as well as lining up this section with the tips. So we're struggling to get it all in line and in place as one. So obviously the tolerances are so tight. So we've come up with an alternative, which is that pipe there. So change of plan. Josh has come up with the idea of ruling this section out. You just bent that in the machine, didn't you?
Yeah.
So it's 2.5?
2.5, yeah.
Yeah, 2.5, bent it in the machine. And then we're going to use this special tool that he's just bought. Is it around here?
Yeah, going in line with the rear.
In line with this
section.
rose box. We can drill in there, and then we can add a pipe from here to there. And I'll just basically, we can keep this more in line then. The tip to be straight.
Just more compact.
More compact, yeah. Trying to get the words out. But yeah, that will allow Josh to kind of get it done with one man, not four men holding this box and holding all the pipes. So I don't know how you guys have done this kind of job before, but that's the way we're going to do it. First time doing it, innit? So
Yep.
we're learning. Is that going to be the right size then?
Yeah, that's 50 mil.
Oh, so you've actually you bought the correct size as well.
Yeah. Funny enough.
Yeah. Hello. Show me that hole, Josh. Show me that hole. Josh has made a hole.
Made a hole.
He's done a thing. It's the glory hole.
Engineering at its finest. Very nice.
Does that sit right in then, or do you just place it in there?
No, I've got to cut a piece to fit in there. Then we've got to scallop it so it fits the hole.
You're doing the Josh has made a hole thing for YouTube. Alright. Nice.
Yeah.
Nice. Let's send the other side.
Yep, same other side. Put a little cut out in these to match that hole so it's not so you have a big flat spot inside the exhaust.
Nice.
Yeah, there we go, that should work. No, don't get my face in it. Just gone for a nice piss.
Hello guys. I'm only at the bloody garage again, and it's stupid o'clock at night because I don't like going home. God, what a life I've got. Oh, bitch.
Today's a very special day for Josh, Valentine's Day.
Special day.
He decided to spend it with me on the M2 because he can't get enough of it, and it's Saturday as well. So this is how far we've come with it. Well, how far Josh has come with it. Everything's tacked in place as far as I'm aware. So I think next the system's got to be dropped, and then if I'm right in saying you're going to weld it on the bench.
Yep. Off the
Got 3 stands in place, which had a little problem with the valve, so he's just cut off the little tacks he's made, reposition the pipe work, problem with the valve getting jammed inside. So a few little teething problems really. Anything to add? You
Not really, it's going better than yesterday.
got your holes cut, got the pipes in. Not a massive great deal to comment really, other than we're nearly there. Just want to hear it now, don't we?
Yeah.
Yeah. Where? Oh, you got to still plug these in as well, don't you?
Yeah,
These motors.
The actual motor's not bolted on yet.
Yeah.
Do that shortly.
Nice. We've still got like 3-4 hours left in it, I suppose.
Yeah, probably.
So what was the issue with that then? Was that too far in?
Yeah, the actual pipe was too far into the valve, so when the valve was opening, it was hitting the inside of the pipe. Just need to just bring it out a little bit more.
What's the sleeve like here then?
Yeah, where it sits
too far
inside it.
in.
Yeah. Just fell too far in.
What, this side's alright?
Yeah, that side's alright, just needs tacking on. Yeah,
cool.
That side's fine.
Good job you noticed that then.
Yeah. You're down, isn't it?
Yeah, just do it on your own.
Yeah, get on your own. Just don't want to drop it and ruin it.
Big boy.
Big strong boy. I've had that happen before. Oh, you dropped it?
Josh can't lift it down on his own, so he's asking the other Josh.
Yeah.
Do you want to get involved?
Yeah.
Go on,
Yeah.
Gemma, you got
Always.
to. Sport back end. Sport this end.
Do you want Gemma to do it?
She can't reach.
Ah,
Yeah,
she
go
can't
work.
reach.
She needs 3 foot.
I can
Yeah,
reach,
go work.
cheeky fucker.
What do you mean go work?
Get on with work. You take long enough as it is.
Go for another smoke break.
Don't drop it. Where's your hard hat?
Yeah, like that.
Gemma, you look really small on this camera. But then when I took the camera away, you are actually really small as well. No, behave. God's sake.
Wow.
Marvellous. With these shiny parts. Wow. Go on then, get cracking.
Get weld in.
Get on with it! Shut up!
On YouTube, YouTube.
Engine light.
I was on before.
On before, is it? So you operate it through, is there a, oh, so you got the fob, yeah?
Yeah, a little, whatever you want to call that. Yeah,
I think he said you got a, I can't remember how it was.
Double tap it.
You double tap it
Double
or
tap
hold
it.
it, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Is this valve open or closed?
That's shut.
Valve shut. That sounds so much nicer.
Better, innit?
Yeah.
That's that shut as well.
Oh, open them up then. Remember him saying this thing was a little bit temperamental.
Yeah. Come on. There you go.
Hey. Valve's open. Wow, he's gonna like that. Savage, that is savage, yeah. Wowzers. Think we should do a little road test as well, I reckon.
Yeah, absolutely.
Beautiful. Beautiful. He'll be well happy with that, won't he?